24 everyday English phrases for daily conversations. Can't complain. I'm fine. Things are going pretty well. How are you? Can't complain. Life's busy, but I can't complain. Same old, same old. Nothing new, everything is the same. What's new? Same old, same old. Oh, you know, same old, same old. I hear you. I understand how you feel or what you're saying. Work is stressful. I hear you. Yeah, I hear you. Works for me. I agree with that plan. Let's meet at 7. Works for me. Friday? Works for me. You bet. Absolutely, of course. Can you help me? You bet. You bet. I'd love to. Fair enough. That's reasonable. I understand your point. I'm staying home today. Fair enough. Fair enough. That makes sense. Good for you. Used to praise or encourage someone. I started exercising. Good for you. Good for you. Keep it up. Lucky you. Used to say someone is lucky. I got free tickets. Lucky you. Lucky you. Enjoy. Really? Used to show surprise or interest. Really? Tell me more. Really? I didn't know that. No way. Used to show strong surprise. No way. Seriously? No way. That's amazing. I guess so. Used to express mild agreement or uncertainty. Was it difficult? I guess so. Yeah, I guess so. I know, right? Used to show strong agreement or a shared feeling. It's so hot today. I know, right? I know, right? It's crazy. You never know. Used to say anything is possible. Maybe I'll win. You never know. Well, you never know. Why not? Used primarily to agree to a suggestion. Want to order pizza? Why not? Why not? Sounds fun. That sounds fun. Used to show interest or enthusiasm. We're going hiking this weekend. That sounds fun. That sounds fun. Have a great time. Sounds good. Used to agree with a plan or suggestion. Let's meet tomorrow. Sounds good. Sounds good to me. Sounds great. Used to show enthusiastic agreement. Let's go for coffee. Sounds great. See you at 3. Sounds great. We'll see. Used to say that something is uncertain or not decided yet. Will it work? We'll see. We'll see what happens. No problem. Used to say you're welcome or it's okay. Thanks for helping. No problem. No problem at all. My pleasure. Used to say you're happy to help. Thanks for your help. My pleasure. My pleasure. Anytime. Fingers crossed. Used to express hope for good luck. I have a job interview tomorrow. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed that everything goes well. See you around. Used as a casual goodbye. Bye. See you around. See you around. Take care. Catch you later. Used as an informal goodbye. I've got to go. Catch you later. Catch you later. Have a good one. Used to wish someone a nice day. Bye. Have a good one. Have a good one. Take care.